In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the App Store is missing on your iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down on the home screen of your iPad and in the search bar, just search this. Now if you search App Store and if the App Store option appears in this list, just tap and hold on the App Store icon and drag it to add it to the home screen. Because you might have deleted the App Store icon by mistake from the home screen, and by doing that, you will add it back to the home screen. But if you have searched App Store in the search section and if the App Store option did not appear over here, then in that case just open Settings and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. But before we continue, I would like to say that the next step will require the password of the parental controls of your iPad. After you get the password of the parental controls, then just scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if this option is enabled on your iPad, just turn it off. And after you do that, it might ask you to enter the password of the parental controls. But after you do that, you will turn off all the parental control settings from your iPad. Now, after you do that, then on the home screen, just swipe down and search App Store. And by doing that, you will find the App Store icon over here, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.